Yep, how sweet it was. Holiday season is over and it's time to pack it all up. My least favorite part. I was just thinking about y'all when I was getting ready to bag up the little reindeers over there on that little table, and I said, well, happy holidays, happy new year, Merry Christmas, all that good stuff. Let's get her done. I know one day y'all gonna start talking about me real bad for coming on here looking like I ain't got no home training. But girl, life is real. This is the real deal. And as I said, time to pack it all up. And y'all, just to let y'all know, my Christmas tree is not going down. I'm not taking it down right now because I'm getting ready to decorate it for my baby girl's birthday. And then I'm going to decorate it for Valentine's. And then I'm going to decorate it probably for my birthday. And that's in March. So y'all just going to have to deal with the tree. Because I got some decor that I'm going to put on the tree today, probably. Okay? And we're going to celebrate baby girl's birthday. She's turning 21. Okay? So super celebration. I told you 2023 is going to be all out. Okay, we're gonna just go ahead and take it to the limit this year, okay? Because you only live once, and when you only live once, you do it like you never did it before. So we're gonna celebrate here at the house with the tree, and wherever y'all you just stay tuned, and we're gonna let you know what's up. But let me go ahead and, while I'm on a roll, and get this decor tightened up. Okay, I gotta get it done. Who else gonna do it? Who else gonna do it? Bye. Christmas decoration. Boop. Okay, y'all. So I've kind of redone the tree just a little bit. I took off all of the red ornaments and I put on pink, and I also got these cute little, I don't know what you call those. They look more like, what do you call those things inside those, I can't think of it. Evergreen bushes or something like that. But anyway, I got those in there with the pink balls and some pink little cupcakes as well. And I guess I got to put some batteries in the star. I'll just leave it unless I get something else to go up there. But this is the tree right now. It's not a Christmas tree. We're just going to call it an occasion tree right now. So Mattie wanted pink, so I got pink ornaments. I left the gold ornaments on, and I also have some pink lights coming, so I'll put those on there. But I'm going to leave the gifts. The gifts are staying, okay? Period. Look, weird. I know I am, but that's okay. Y'all love me anyway, I hope. So that is that on that. I'm going to move the white saxophone over there. I'm going to pack the red saxophone up because it has nothing to bounce off of. And I'm going to get the rest of these decorations, which is pretty much like the little garland stuff under there and the poinsettias. Put those up, and that's it. So get ready, get ready, get ready. Now everybody knows if I can DIY it, I will do it. And that's what I'm doing now. I had an extra one of these amber bottle soap or containers or whatever, and I'm just putting my hand soap in here because the one I had was just so small that, you know, I use it up so fast. You know how much you have to wash your hands all the time. I have my big container of Dial Complete antibacterial, and I'm going to go ahead and pour it up. That's what I'm talking about. So just new year, revamping, you know, fresh month. You know how you have to restock and get things together. So that's what I am doing right now. Do y'all create your own DIY hand soaps? I know this is not like a DIY hand soap specifically until I add my special ingredient. But anyway, that little funnel was just taking too doggone long for me, y'all. You know me, I want it done now, right now. Get to it. Get to it. That's what I tell myself. Now, once I put in the Dial soap, check this out. I'm not finished. I'm not done. You know, I got to add my own special little touches to things, right? Oh my goodness. Without a doubt, you know I got to bring something and juice it up. You ready for what I'm going to, are you ready for what I'm going to do? And baby, it's alcohol. Gotta have some alcohol. Yes, kill those germs. You know, I kind of fill my bottle up a little bit too much, but we gonna be all right. We're gonna shake it up and she gonna be fine. And honey, you want to kill germs everywhere. It's a terrible season right now for COVID, pneumonia, flu, everything. So you got to make sure make sure you do what you do. Due diligence is so important, and that's what she's all about. Now, this is the one I keep here by the sink, and of course, I add my alcohol to it, and I go ahead and fill up the bottle again. Okay, that's how she do it. Now, this was a cherry blossom one that was in there before, but honey, that's been long gone, so long ago. And that's how we do that. And shake it up, and you're ready for the next project. This is what I'm talking about. And oh, if you saw that little label printer, yes, I love that. I use it all the time now. It is like my go-to for everything. Love it. Got it off of Amazon, of course. And now we're going to take care of the cleaner. This bottle has been around forever. All I do is just get the big dog Clorox and fill it up. Well, I put half or a little bit under half of the Clorox, and I add in the rest of water or whatever. And I also put essential oils in it. So I really poured a little bit too much Clorox in that because yeah, it's going to be pretty strong, but it's all good. It's great for the shower, for cleaning in here in the kitchen. Like I said, disinfecting is the big thing around here. We love to do that. So once I finish filling it up with the Clorox and the water, then I'll add in my essential oils. Yeah, love those. Lemon and orange are great. They both are very, very good for cleaning and have great disinfectant qualities, antibacterial qualities, and all of that. Just wipe it up as I go. Shake it up, baby. Now that's ready to go. Yeah, I got me some more bleach cleaner for me. Yeah, that's how I did that. Now just cleaning up my mess for sure. Y'all see my Bellway in the background. That's one of my daily little supplements I use for fiber, which is so good. And now we got the vinegar bottle out, which I don't think I have to mix any more of this, but I just wanted to label the bottle because I accidentally put it in the bathroom and did not say, instead of Windex, you can use some vinegar and water. So that's why I have to label this, because when Mike picked it up, he's like, "What is this?" I'm like, "Vinegar and water." Is vinegar and water. That's what you wipe down, your mirrors with, your appliances with, all of that jazz. Okay. And yeah, I'll be using that label maker out. There we go. There we go. So Mike just got back from the grocery store. I tried to order online. However, I don't know. I guess because of the holidays, they're just a little bit laxed right now. And they would time out couple of days before I would get my grocery order. So I just need a few things, and I'm just going to put those things up and let that be that. But I'll show you what we got. Trying not to show me with my little raggedy self. But we got some chicken wings, always a hit. Some Lay's potato chips. Flaming hot puffs. Barbecue sauce. I like sweet and spicy, but he got the original, which I guess that's that on that. Some Jiffy Mix. Some Kisses milk chocolate. He probably got that for him. That was in on me, okay? Have some limes. Hopefully y'all can see all of that. Some sweet baby whole pickles. Cool Ranch Doritos. I'm going to make some avocado dip, I think. Some raisin cream pies. Some raisin cream pies. Honey ham. Some Kraft Singles American cheese. Potatoes. Got some honey wheat bread, nature's own. Go ahead and put that up. How about that? Get that out of the way. Two bags of lettuce. Another bag of lettuce. And another bag of lettuce. Some cheese, well, some shredded Mexican cheese, because possibly gonna do, you know, baked potatoes. It's one of these days. Like, got some bacon in the fridge already. Some more sweet pickles. He loves sweet pickles, y'all. And some carrots. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to have me some carrots and ranch in just a second. Because good fiber. Yeah, I just put up the groceries, Mikey D.
Yep.
There's Mikey.
Hello.
We'll see ya. Bye.
Bye.